Hey, do you have a big bag of potatoes lying about your house and you have no idea what to do with it? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make hash browns. You're going to need a few simple ingredients and kitchen tools: a skillet, a spatula, vegetable peeler, some butter or margarine, cooking spray, a potato, and a cheese grater. To start, spray your skillet with a non-stick spray and heat the skillet to medium heat. Take the vegetable peeler and peel the skin off the potato. Now take the peeled potato and grate the entire potato. Now here you can wash your potatoes, but this is kind of optional. Next, you're going to move the shredded potato into the preheated skillet. Spread the potato around the pan evenly. The potatoes will brown better if they are spread like this. Add in the butter or margarine to help with browning and distribute it evenly using the spatula. While the hash browns cook, wash and clean your cheese grater and vegetable peeler. Failure to do so will result in you having a bad time cleaning later, as the potato starch will oxidize and turn black. That's no fun to clean. After cooking for a bit, flip over the hash browns. Cook until they are golden brown on both sides. Once cooking is complete, remove the hash browns from the heat and turn off your burner. Serve your hash browns with your favorite toppings. I like salt and ketchup with mine. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to GMFV on YouTube. Visit our website at greensandmachines.com to view more recipes. Want to see more cooking videos? Check out one of the ones here. We'll see you in the next video.